If you manage a domain, keeping your contact details up to date is essential, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change domain contact information in Namecheap step by step. This is useful if you need to update your name, email address, phone number, company details, or even job title for your domain registration. Staying accurate helps you avoid problems with verification, ownership records, and important domain notifications. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Namecheap and domain management guides. Let's jump into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place. Click on domain list, then find the domain you want to update. Next to that domain, you'll see a manage button. Click manage to open the settings for that specific domain. Now scroll down until you find the domain contact section. This is the area where Namecheap stores the registrant and contact information associated with your domain. In this section, you'll usually see different contact types such as registrant, administrative, billing, and technical contact details. To make changes, click edit next to the contact information you want to update. A form will appear where you can enter the new details. Update the required contact fields carefully, such as your first name, last name, address, city, state, postal code, country, email address, and phone number. Make sure everything is typed correctly, because this information may be used for domain communication and verification. If you need to add a company name and job title, fill in your company name and your job title if those apply to your domain registration. If you need the same information applied to your administrative, billing, or technical contacts, Namecheap usually gives you an option to copy or apply the same contact details across those sections. This can save time and help keep all your domain records consistent. Once you've reviewed everything and confirmed the information is accurate, click Save Changes. That's the final step, and Namecheap will update the contact information for your domain. In some cases, you may receive a verification email or see confirmation prompts depending on the type of change you made, so be sure to check your inbox if anything requires approval. And that's it. You've now changed your domain contact information in Namecheap. This is a simple but important task, especially if your personal details or business information has changed. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software or website you want help with next.